Hi, welcome back. Disney Toy Lover here. Today we have the Malibu Market. Can I get my Hershey bar yet? No, first we have to get everything off my list. You have to sit down. I was just looking for the Hershey bars. There's the eggs. Kayla, I'll be right back. I have to go get some peanut butter and jelly. Just stay right there, sweetie. Eggs. Yuck. Mommy doesn't like soda. This isn't Lucky Charms. This lady doesn't know how to shop. Blue water? Yuck. Honey doesn't come from bears. It comes from bees. I don't want fake honey. Okay, I think we've got everything. Kayla! Where did all the food go? I couldn't find my Hershey bar. So you just threw all the food on the ground? The milk busted open. Kayla! I told you you'll get your Hershey bar later. Kayla, as soon as I'm done picking up all this stuff, you are going in the corner. I said I'm sorry. Please don't tell Mommy. Kayla, I'm very disappointed in you. Kayla, hand me that orange juice. Oh, Princess Anna. How is my Kayla doing? Well, she had a couple accidents, but she's doing better now. Sweetie, so I hear you're a good girl? Mommy, I was doing so good. But she said she was going to get me a Hershey bar. Mommy, she lied. Mommy, where's my Hershey bar? Every time I go to the store, I get a Hershey bar. Here you go, sweetie. I was gonna wait until I got home, but you can have it now. Wow, it's like a me-size Hershey bar. Yummy, yummy. To my tummy. That will be $50, please. Okay, here you are. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Click on our picture for more great videos. Thank you. And don't forget, like and subscribe.